A major clean-up is underway after yesterday's huge industrial fire at a Wingfield oil waste depot. Contractors using welding equipment started the blaze and it was only extinguished late last night. Today, the focus turned to stopping contaminated water from reaching nearby wetlands.
Emergency crews remained at the Wing Street property overnight after bringing the fire under control almost 12 hours after it started. It was fuelled by an estimated 1 million litres of oil in what emergency services say was one of the biggest blazes they've faced in years.
You had walls of flame 100 to 200 foot in the air, you had exploding drums of fuel, and you had people screaming, rushing everywhere, trying to get out of the place.
After being evacuated as the fire intensified, many nearby businesses were not allowed back on their properties until this afternoon. One company across the road was lucky to escape serious damage.
A few fluoro lights have fallen out, a bit of insulation's fallen off the walls, the vents are dropped, stuff like that, so nothing severe.
Waste oil companies, including Mulhern's where the fire occurred, were being used today to try and remove the large amount of oil and wastewater.
We've been able to contain the material largely on the site, but also along the waterway that runs along South Road.
The EPA has so far been able to stop any oil from reaching nearby wetlands, and this afternoon about 80% of the oil had been removed. A public health warning was issued yesterday after the fire sent a plume of toxic smoke towards the city, but SA Health says that dispersed quickly.
We don't expect that there's been widespread deposition of particles. We don't expect there's been widespread impact on rainwater tanks, particularly away from the site.
Fire cause investigators have determined the fire was started accidentally by contractors on the site using welding equipment. Alina Ecott, ABC News, Adelaide.